Hey everybody, Dustin here with Built with Pride Construction. We're conducting a walkthrough on a 1,400 square foot bungalow in Mayfield that we renovated. It's got a full 2-bedroom legal basement suite, and we did some pretty extensive work on the main floor as well. Let me turn you around here. Don't adjust your screens, those little black dots, it's not your computer monitor, that's my phone. Life of a tradesman there. I got some dirt in my lens, tried to get it out, couldn't do it. Anyway. Hopefully you can see past that and get the gist of it. So over here we had a aluminum slider window there. We took it out, used the existing header, added that patio door with the side light. And we've got our pressure treated deck off the back. The stairs, that fence, all new. Nice property, backs onto a park. It's a great spot. And in here, this is the showstopper. This kitchen. There used to be a wall here. Took it out, put in a beam, posted it. Check out this island. It's beauty. We got the gray shaker cabinets, freestanding hood fan, obviously all stainless steel appliances. We did the white subway tile right up to the ceiling. Turned out deadly. Really happy with it. It was a big job. Big undertaking. This place was all original. Literally all they replaced in this house was the furnace and the hot water heater when we got in here. And the owner loves his pot lights. 1,400 square foot bungalow for 2,800 square feet total of finished living space. Dude has 110 4-inch LED pot lights in here, all on dimmers and smart switches. Anyway, let's get out of the kitchen. 1 bathroom. Here's the ensuite. Hope he doesn't mind. He moved in. Tried to get this done sooner, but couldn't do it. We had a big rush at the end. Nice ensuite. We got these fancy glass Kohler medicine cabinets. They're a total rip-off. They're like $1,200 a pop, but that's what he wanted. He went all out on this Reno. All new windows. Everything's new. It's like a new house. Got the dual closets. There's shelving in there. I'd show it to you, but I don't think the owner would appreciate it. A nice big open living room / dining room. And click vinyl plank flooring. And downstairs here, I'll show you the suite. So that's actually concrete wall. These old houses, they never put frost walls going down the stairs. And we don't have room on the stair tread to frame one out. And we kind of want to leave this open for furniture. So anyway, what we did is we just textured that wall, sprayed it with like a splatter finish. In here, nothing too exciting. This is just the electrical room, which is great. It's a common area, so both the downstairs tenant and the main floor tenant or owner have access to this space. I just want to show you all the nice green stickers. We went 11 for 11 in here, and we put in a 200 amp service and panel. Went all out, so he's got tons of ampacity for whatever the heck he wants to do. Now, 11 for 11 on inspections, not a single red sticker. Down here, lots more pot lights. We did the flat ceilings in here. We saw cut these window openings and put in some bigger sliders just to let in some light so you don't feel like you're even in a basement. We did the 2-tone base and upper cabinets down here, the gray and the white shaker. Again, stainless steel appliances. We got an over-the-range microwave down here. A nice pantry. Again, almost not too exciting, but mechanical room. We got some more green stickers to show you. Look how clean this is with the drywall. Tight. It's tight in here. We had to do a tankless hot water heater just to squeeze everything in, but turned out nice. And we got our nice plumbing manifold. We got a 1-inch line there. That's for our irrigation, future irrigation system. And in here, laundry, side-by-side washer dryer, main bath. We got the nice fancy niches in there too. I guess you'd call this bedroom 2. Still, it's big size. This is the basement ensuite. It's Check out that walk-in closet, MDF shelving. Got the closet towers, and then the got some closet rods in there and the shelves, and ensuite. It's the first suite I've done with 2 bathrooms in the basement. It's kind of unusual. It'll be a big draw for prospective tenants. So that's about her. Thanks for watching the video. If you need anything, get a hold of us, 780-233-4713. And check out www.bwpconstructionedmonton.com. I know it's a mouthful, or just Google Built with Pride Construction and it'll pop up. Over and out.